I have a crap load of rats in my lap. They're fine as long as I cover them, but then when I don't cover them, then they go hyperspaz monkey. Oh. Spot. Templeton. Mommy's got a lap full of babies. Babies. Oh, see what I'm talking about? Get back here. It's a monkey. You're dirty monkey. Spot wants to go. Everyone else is just kind of like chilling out. Finally. Spot, sit still. They were running up my shorts. I had to dig them out of my shorts. Oh, freaking bandit, he's chewing off my cord. Spotty, back here. Behave. No, you guys. Beyond that, not for you. Goofball. Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Goodness.